Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of UnboxID. I'm your host Astley aka The Designer. We're here today at Gambas Crescent, TMB, the Mattress Boutique. The Mattress Boutique was founded by a group of furniture and mattress enthusiasts. Its company mission is to provide better rest at affordable prices, with customer service excellence and providing the best user experience. The Mattress Boutique is the authorized reseller for top brands. There is a wide variety of premium mattresses brand from King Koi, Max Koi, Dunlop, Slumberland, Soft Sleep, Slumberpedic, Sleepy Night, and a whole lot more at direct factory prices. At the Mattress Boutique, there are many types of bed frames that you can choose. From fabric, contemporary, divan bed frames to different choices of storage bed frame. For example, 2 drawer types, 4 drawer types, and even hydraulic bed. There are customizable bed frames with integrated storage spaces that caters to different mattress sizes. Experts agree that getting good sleep is one of the single best ways to maintain and improve our health. A mattress is a huge factor in our ability to sleep well, yet many people overlook its importance and keep using mattresses that fail to provide enough support and comfort. Almost all mattresses can be identified as these types: pocket spring, hybrid, and latex. A pocket spring mattress is made from individual pocket springs. Each pocket spring is enclosed within its own fabric pocket, working independently from each other. Each spring reacts only to the pressure applied to that area. These offer top-notch bounce and durability with moderate contouring. When made with natural and organic latex, they are top pick among eco-conscious shoppers. Hybrids have 2 central elements. These mattresses provide a blend of bounce and contouring with low heat retention and can be a good fit for sleepers in any position depending on exactly how they are built. Other than a type of mattress, it's also important to identify your sleeping position. You may be a back sleeper, side sleeper, stomach sleeper, or a combination of sleeper. In most cases, mattresses should last anything between 7 to 10 years. Now, to fully optimize it, it's best to think about your future planning. Most people will actually opt for a king-size bed in the master bedroom. But if you're intending to have a baby cot in the future, when you do get pregnant, then the baby cot and the walking passageway may be severely affected. So do think about it whether a queen size or a king size would be ideal for you. Otherwise, you may have to spend more money replacing the mattress before its due date. As your mattress ages, it collects dirt, skin flakes, and unfortunately dust mites. Tips and tricks on how you can maintain your mattress. It's advisable to rotate your mattress regularly. You can also vacuum your mattress. After that, you can spray Febreze on your mattress to have it clean and disinfected. Also, it's ideal to have a mattress protector to protect your mattress. At the Mattress Boutique, they're able to customize to the exact requirements, not just for the bed frame, but also the mattress as well. Mattress Boutique is the best review mattress company in Singapore. So head on down to the Mattress Boutique and get all these well-known mattress brands at direct factory price.